Maui is suing Hawaiian Electric companies over the deadly wildfires that devastated the state. The county alleges the utility negligently failed to shut off power despite high winds and dry conditions. The fires ignited August 8th, killing at least 115 people. Hundreds more are still missing. The lawsuit says the utility has a responsibility to maintain transmission lines and vegetation around them, and it knew high winds would topple poles. Hawaiian Electric did not immediately respond to the Associated Press for comment.